Welcome back, St. Joseph. Well, Severe Weather Preparedness Week was recently front and center across Missouri and Kansas during a time when the skies were quiet. But as if right on cue, this week was quite different when the first severe weather event of the season materialized on Wednesday evening. And this week's weather-wise, I'll recap the hail that fell here in St. Joseph, the science behind it, and two tornadoes that touched down just to our west that same evening. The first severe weather event of the season struck northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas Wednesday evening, when a rash of severe thunderstorms broke out across the region. From St. Joseph to Kansas City, the primary hazard came in the form of hail. One storm pummeling the St. Joseph area around 9 p.m. Local reports from the Storm Prediction Center included ping pong ball-sized hail near Country Club, golf ball-sized hail on the south end, and even an isolated report of tennis ball-sized hail near Wathena. The incredible phenomena, a testament to the storm's strength. Very strong thunderstorms contain robust currents of air called updrafts and downdrafts. And when an updraft is fairly strong, it allows water droplets within the rain cloud to be lifted higher into the atmosphere where temperatures are well below freezing, which freezes those droplets into tiny pellets of ice or very small hailstones. Now, these hailstones are lofted into the atmosphere and they stay there depending on how strong that updraft is. And as this happens, as they're tumbled within this cloud, the supercooled water droplets attach to them and grow that stone to be larger. And if the stone gets heavy enough, it overcomes the vertical motion and eventually it falls to the ground. Now, you may know that many thunderstorms which produce tornadoes also produce hail. Here is why. Well, when you have an environment in the atmosphere in terms of wind shear, it creates this horizontal rolling motion. And when you have a very strong thunderstorm that has very intense updrafts, it can tap in to that area of horizontal rotation, tilt it into the vertical and sustain it for a long period of time. Boom, you have a tornado. Another Wednesday evening storm did just that in northeast Kansas, spawning an EF2 tornado near Alta Vista, intercepted by storm chaser Reed Timmer. Another EF2 confirmed in nearby Rossville, both just west of Topeka, and both without reported injuries. The nearby twisters, a reminder to prepare for the worst and hope for the best this storm season.